When you find a Filipina, guys, so you don't speak, you are a celebrity. You are a celebrity also, because the Filipina is really likes to post your pictures, and you are really too proud of here to showing there in the public. And it's very to it's not all, they have the also a Filipina, it is a very private, because they have past experience, but you are Filipina is a very like to socialize in a social media or something like that. You are a celebrity, so you just very careful about that. When you say you are your Filipina is very she like to posting your Facebook or Facebook in other the social media website. You just supposed to be 100% you are very proud about here, because you don't have anything to keeping or something. You are not nothing secret or to behind. Is a very pure good intention to hear. So that's you are very lucky. Yeah, you know that what that's the fact here in the Philippines is very popular, the Facebook. Yeah, it's number one is Facebook, TikTok, or YouTube channel. Yeah, it is different, but it depends that the person is they have someone to trying to flirting, or they have someone to trying to getting to it to each other, and then you like to meet or something. It depends that yourself, and depends about me that if I like to communicate or I like to meet about that. But it's like you know, you just be respectful first to self, right? Because it doesn't matter about you are very like you know, you just very like because I like that girl, blah 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 about that. But in the first place is number one, you always be respectful that girls. You don't like directly flirting, because that number one reason that's the girl is you're not looking with you, because very easy, like, you know, very easy to flirt that girl. And then especially like you know that the past, and then you're trying to, you know, showing for flirting like that. So you just always be respectful, because in the whole story you don't know. All right, so that's number two. It's like you are really likes to looking for a Filipina in the future, or a Filipina, legend Filipina. So you just be always to be yourself. Yeah, you don't be too hurry to like directly about that. And then you just like when you're looking someone, you just be always to be respectful. Yes, because you know it's that yeah, it's not all that Filipina they have past relationship is you are very easy to get. All right, they have the heart, they have you know, sa being human, you just be always respectful. Yeah, yes, always be respectful. That's number one. So when you are the very respectful person, so we will come back to you. It's a good intentions, or you have a good intention for relationship like that. Yeah, you always to be successful your relationship. But you are the flirting guy, or you are the flirting girl, something like that, you don't have anything to something. Yeah, you just you know, you just like you just avoid with you or something. Yeah, so you just be always respectful. Yes, because not all a lot the girls like very showy. Yeah, it is different because very showy here in the showing in the public, yeah, TikTok or the YouTube channel like that, but in the reality it's very big difference. Yeah, you just do it for the social media about that because they have the reason. That's the one reason. It's a blogger, it's entertaining, but it's different about that when you accept the something guy is very disrespectful guy, just respect. I don't want to be I don't want to be accept like that being disrespectful to my channel. So I'm not like that. You just like, you know, it's the facts. They have more guy like that. Yeah, but yeah, that's the reality is you always to be respectful. Yeah, because you don't know the whole story, and then you don't know that that person, it's they have the good intentions, and then that's why, because you just say that what is there, and then you are very easy to flirting about that because they have something experience like that, but it's very wrong about that. So always be respectful that person. All right, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, Belinda Philippines Adventure. Yeah, I just 3 months ago I monetized, guys, but right now I just always to keep going my this channel because I like to continue even that I just waiting for my pin. So hope you always to support my channel, guys. So I will always to keep going here in my YouTube channel, and don't forget to subscribe my channel to check out my latest videos, guys. So bye bye.